for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, trip computer, brake assist, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, towing package, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.